everybody, welcome back to the 2018 Crochet Along, where we bring you one granny square day for 365 days. We are on day 83 and we are working the easy peasy block today. This was designed one of our designers that has joined in our admin group. So let's get started, okay? Grab your hook, grab your yarn. There will be no color changes. These are all very simple stitches that you've worked in previous squares, almost basic granny squares. So this is very easy. You're going to begin with a chain 4, join the slip stitch into your first chain to form a ring or do a magic ring, and then you're going to work a chain 2 because that will count as your first half double crochet, and then you're going to work 11 half double crochets into your ring. You want to have 12 half double crochets. If I work too fast for you, there is an option in the upper right hand corner. I know on some on some devices the option is actually down below. It looks like a cogwheel. Right there is where you would click to slow the video down. I also know on some other screens, depending on the device you're using, it's 3 dots in the upper right hand corner, and some of them are cogwheels in the upper right hand corner. It's really your device, but it's there. The option to slow down is there. So work 12 half double crochets into your ring and join with a slip stitch into your second chain of your chain 2, and you should have 12 half double crochets. I will be back with you for round 2. Alright, round 2, chain 2 and work 1 half double crochet into the same stitch that you joined into. Now you're going to work 2 half double crochet into the next 23 stitches. I'm sorry, in the next 11 stitches. Oh my goodness. I'm looking at the wrong part of the pattern here. There we go. All right. So 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. 2 half double crochet into the next stitch, and 2 into the next. Repeat this all the way around until you have 24 half double crochets. Join with a slip stitch into your second chain of your beginning chain, and we will begin round 3. Okay, so you should have 24 half double crochets all the way around. Round 3, we're going to chain 3. This will count as your first double crochet, or you can do a chainless double. Remember, this is always a preference thing. This is not mandatory that you do the chainless. It's just a preference, okay? So now work 1 double crochet into the same stitch that we joined into, and then chain 1. You're going to skip the next stitch. Yep, skip the next stitch, and then you're going to work 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1, skip a stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this sequence all the way around. Chain 1, skip 1, 2 double crochet in the next until you have 24 double crochets and 12 chain 1 spaces. Okay, so for round 4, you're going to slip stitch over to your chain 1 space. So slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into the chain 1 space. Now you're going to chain 3 or do your chainless double crochet, and then you're going to work 2 more double crochet into the same chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next 2 stitches and work 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. 2 and 3. Chain 1. You're going to repeat this all the way around. 3 double crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, skip 2 stitches, and 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. You're going to repeat this around until you have 36 double crochet and 12 chain 1 spaces. And you're going to join with a slip stitch into your beginning if you did chain 3, your 3rd chain, and if you did chainless, obviously into the top of your chainless right here. Okay, so when I have completed this, I will get back to you for round 5. Okay, so you should have joined off with a slip stitch into your beginning chain 3 or chainless double crochet. You should have 36 double crochet and 12 chain 1 spaces. Round 5, chain 3 or a chainless double crochet. All right, and then you're going to work 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Now you're going to work in your chain 1 space here, your corner, which is 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 2 more double crochets right into the same chain 1 space. 1 and 2. Now we're going to work 1 double crochet into the next 3, 1 double crochet into the chain, 1 double crochet into the next 3, 1 double crochet into the chain, and 1 double crochet into the last 3. So you should work 11 double crochets all together until you get to your next corner. So let's start. 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 2, 3, 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 2, 3, 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to work your corner in the chain 1 space. 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 more double crochet into the same chain 1 space here, and your second corner is formed. I'll show you this one more time and then I'll let you off to finish off the round for yourself. See, it's starting to turn into a square now. So 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 1 into the chain 1, 1 into the next 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 in the next chain, and then 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Work your corner, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. 2 more in that same stitch there. So repeat this around, putting, till you get back to your beginning there. Give it a little pull. You're going to work 1 double crochet in the next 9 double crochet stitches, and making sure to put 1 double crochet in between the chain 1 spaces here. So you should have 9 worked until your next corner, and then work your corner, 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet, and then you'll finish off right here at the end with 1 double crochet into the next 3, 1 in between, 1 in the next 3, 1 in between, and you'll join with a slip stitch into your beginning chain 3 or chainless double crochet, and then I will get back with you for round number 6. Oh, you should have worked 56 double crochet if I stand corrected. I might get back with you on that one. And let me finish off here and count this out. Okay, so now round 6. Round 5 should be 60 double crochet. I wrote down 56 for some reason. I got to thinking that's just not correct. So anyway, you should have 60 double crochet, okay? So round 6 is super simple, very easy. We do it in every single one of our squares, but at the end round, most of the time you guys probably do it on your own. You're going to chain 3 or do a chainless double, and you're just going to work 1 double crochet in every stitch until you get to the corner. Easy, right? Easy peasy. Easy peasy block. So in your corners, work 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. 2 more double crochet. Alright. And then 1 double crochet across. You should have 15 stitches along each side from the previous round, so I guess you would put 1 double crochet into the next 15 stitches on each side after working a corner. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We'll try to get with you as soon as possible. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you are not yet in our crochet along, down below in the description box is a link to join us. You must answer all 3 questions to get in, to join our group. And it's only because we're getting a lot of weirdos in there. So we changed up our questions and request that you, if you're not in the crochet along, that you do please answer all 3 questions so we can let you in on all the good stuff. Okay, y'all? So, yeah, this is the it of the square, just putting double crochets in every stitch around. Alright, when I finish this at the end of the video, if you need to see what it looks like afterwards, you'll see a picture of it when this video ends here. So, until next time, everybody, happy hooking!